Guys, it's your boy Deshaun. We are back at it, baby. So today we will be replacing these turbo inlets with the SRM 3-inch ones. That's the biggest ones that they have on the market. So stay tuned. So a quick update. Yeah, I don't mind this. I got coolant leaking on this hose. So these gotta come off. So these are CTS ones. These gotta come off. These just like plug in right here. I did this shit. This is not supposed to go like this, but it's just you unscrew these, loosen these, this whole thing comes out. I'm gonna reuse these CTS filters for these SRMs turbo inlets just because they're bigger than other ones. And I'm gonna see you guys after I undo these, both of these, and then I will try to take this one off as well. So this gotta come off. These gotta come off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we gotta unplug all these hoses from right here. There's 1, 2, 3, and there's I think one more down there, 4. So I will see you guys when I do that. Guys, we're doing another update. We just took off the first turbo inlet right there. As you guys can see turbo. Guys, it's just me, or this difference is about to be massive. Goodness, it's about to be crazy. So I'm gonna keep y'all updated as always. I'm about to go and take this other one off, and then we will see how they look. Till then, I'll stay tuned. And yeah, it will be too good to be true, as usual. We are running into a small problem, guys. Let me see. They maybe did. No, they did not. Okay, so I'm running into a problem there. These bolts, they just came off. Talking about bolts, where is the last one? They came off the turbos just right now. They do not fit whatsoever in these holes because these holes are longer and they can be bolted in because I need the bigger bolts. And also these need a gasket right there, which they did not come with. So we'll have to stop our build. Guys, I think this is going to be the last update before we turn the car on. I have this side completely installed, everything screwed in. This side, I just gotta fit this thing in right there. I didn't really do this the neat way, but it's going to be taken off anyways in a month or so. So I just gotta bolt this on, put that one in there. I'll put our air filter there. So it looks crazy, man. I really like the look. I don't know what you guys think, but I really do like the look. I have feeling these really change the look too. I couldn't put another clamp here because there's literally no room right there. Literally no room. So, but they are good. They're tight in there, so there's not gonna be any problems. So yeah.